20 Minute Setswana, Lesson 8, Grammar Note Section. Welcome to this Grammar Note section of Lesson number 8. Dumela Johan, okay.
Dumela Tian, ke tsogile sentle.
Hey, I'm happy. How do you say I'm happy?
Ke itumetse.
Ke itumetse.
Ke itumetse.
Well, ao siame, Johan?
Ke siame thata, a re tswelle pele.
A re simole, here we go. So we're going to quickly talk about verbs like ke batla, I want, ke tloka, I need,
That's it.
ke itse, which
Ke
is
itse
I
and
know how to,
I know to.
and what was the
Rata is the other
yes,
one.
and ke rata, I like. Now, when I just say I like water, I just say ke rata metsi. Is that correct?
That's 100% correct.
And if I want water, it's ke batla metsi.
Ke batla metsi. So that's when the verb is just followed by a noun.
Okay. But when I say I want to drink water, the to drink needs to be in the infinitive.
That's the infinitive that has to follow that certain verb.
Okay.
And these verbs, batla, rata, tloka, itsi, they are always followed by the infinitive verb.
Okay.
So you've got two verbs following each other.
I understand.
In the sentences.
So if you say I want, it's ke batla.
Ke batla.
Okay. But if you want to say I want to drink, yeah, you can't say ke batla nwa.
No, you have to put in the infinitive go.
Okay. So it's ke batla go nwa.
Ke batla go nwa.
Now, for English speaker, this shouldn't be too difficult because it basically it's the same construction there in Setswana and in English because it's to drink.
Yeah.
The Afrikaans speakers might have a little bit of difficulty understanding this, but translating it back and forth from Setswana to English is very easy. So my question also, I have another question. When you say ke itse, you're actually saying I know. Or I know how to do something.
I know. So if that's followed by another verb, ke itse go bua.
Okay.
So the moment you follow one verb with another verb, that infinitive go comes in.
Okay.
Ke itse go bua Setswana.
So what you're actually saying is I can speak Setswana.
Yeah,
I know how to speak Setswana.
I know how to speak it.
Okay. Ke itse go bua Setswana.
That's
Alright.
it.
And if I want to say I want to speak Setswana, I would say ke batla go bua Setswana.
Ke batla go bua Setswana.
Now, if I want to say I need to speak Setswana,
Then you use the verb tloka.
tloka.
Ke tloka go bua Setswana.
I need to speak Setswana.
I need to speak Setswana.
But if I just want to use a noun, for instance, I need water, I'm very thirsty, I'll just say ke tloka metsi.
Ke tloka metsi.
Okay. Well, that's
So you can say ke batla pene, I want a pen, but I want to ke batla go kwala ka pene. I want to write with a pen.
I understand. Well, this has been a shorter session today, but I hope this has been useful to all the listeners. We'll see you next week with another lesson of 20 Minute Setswana. Go fitlela nako e e tlang.